What's better, to shoot your videos with a real video camera or with your smartphone? Of course you want your videos to look good, but do you need another piece of equipment to log around? I will help you choose in this video. Is it going to be a video camera or a smartphone? I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, video will help you to create a stage right in front of your own favorite audience. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because I will help you make your business visible to your target audience. A video camera is made for one purpose only, and that is to record videos. Whereas your smartphone can do so many different things and also record videos. So it's safe to assume that a video camera is more powerful when it comes to recording videos. Does that mean you should choose a video camera to record all your videos for your company? Well, no, as it so often does, it depends. How good is the video you shoot on your smartphone? Well, the image quality is really good, especially if your phone is younger than 3 years. So then you really don't need to buy a video camera. Except, well, there's 3 situations in which a video camera is really preferable over using your smartphone for recording your videos. The first is if you are in a situation of low light. The image sensor on your smartphone is a lot smaller than one on your video camera. So you need enough light to get good images when you film with your smartphone. If you have low light and you film with your smartphone, the image can get really grainy. Whereas a video camera needs less light to make a good image. And with your smartphone, you're always accessible. Really wonderful, except if you're filming a video, because that really needs all your attention. And you get very distracted if there's messages popping up all the time on your screen. You don't get that if you use a camera. Of course, you can turn your phone to Do Not Disturb and unhook the internet connection, but I, for one, keep forgetting that, and that's why I like working with a video camera. The third and most important difference between filming with a video camera and a smartphone is when you zoom in. If you're filming something from a distance and you want to take a closer look, you can zoom in. But if you do that on your smartphone, the image gets grainy very quickly. Again, the image quality goes really bad. And that's because there's no zoom lens on a smartphone camera. Most video cameras do have a zoom lens, and that means the image quality is always the same, whether you're filming a wide shot or a close-up. If you want to make a close-up with your smartphone camera, you can, but you have to take a bit more action. You have to actually go there. So, which is it for you? Do you record your videos with the camera or with your smartphone? Please let me know in the comments below this video. I'll see you there.